today is where the bathroom is going to be. So all the plumbing lines are going to run from the top straight across to where the water meter is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use these T's right here. Oh. So these T's are going to connect the main plumbing lines for the hot water and the cold water. So I can now run my supply water line into my bathroom areas. So one problem we're going to run into is how to connect these T's to those existing pipes right there. This right here is where we're going to put the T. It's going to connect into the shutoff valves right there, which will continue onwards into where the shower is going to be and where the vanity will be. We're going to put another 2 T's here so we can connect the water supply for the laundry. We're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to connect those existing shark bites to the water supply for this washroom. So these T's are connected to here, but the problem is this is completely rigid. This one will move, which is fine. There's a bit of play, so I can cut the pipe here, put the T in, move this out, and fit it back in. With this cold water line, it's fixated on the left and the right side. So in order for me to connect this, I'm not gonna have the room to fit this in while it's rigid on both sides. So I'm gonna have to find a coupling that's gonna be able to work for this. A normal coupling has a notch or a little indent in the middle. So given the pipe, when you try to slide it on, it stops halfway and it can't go further than that. So what we've done is grinded out the middle sections of it, which is this one, to make it into a slip coupling. So this now can fit into it. So when I do the cut, I'm gonna slide this over the existing pipe and then fit it back normal, so I actually have the room to do the solder. So all I had to do was grind out the middle parts. So in the comparison, you see this one, it's smooth, whereas this one, it has the 2 notches in it.